Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to switch your Instagram account from personal or creator to a business account. This is a great way to access insights, add contact options, and unlock more features. For promoting your brand or services, let's get started. First, go to Instagram.com and navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, click on Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile section, scroll down until you see the option to switch to professional account. Click on it. Next, choose business as your account type since we only support business accounts at the moment. Click Next, and then select a category that best represents your business. After that, click Done. You might be asked to add your contact information. You can update it at this point, or if you prefer not to add it, simply click Don't use my contact info. Finally, click Done, and your account will be switched to a business account. You'll now have access to all the features designed for business use. That's it! You've successfully switched your Instagram account to a business account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.